it's Ashley from Posh Crochet Patterns. In today's video, you will be learning stitch number 1, which is single crochet. And it's beautiful. You can see the single crochet rows. It's a very beautiful stitch. So let's begin. For this demonstration today, we will be using this really nice worsted weight yarn. This yarn is Premier Just Yarn worsted. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And the recommended hook size is a 5.5 millimeter, but I've already prepared the gauge, and to make this correct gauge, we will have to use a 5 millimeter hook with this yarn. Let's see, hopefully you all can see that well. So if you want to match the correct gauge for this yarn, I would suggest using the size 5 millimeter wooden bamboo hook, just like me. So to begin, in case you're a beginner, which is totally fine, this is a really fun thing to do, and you'll do great. So to begin, you will take your yarn end, lay it in the palm of your hand. You will take your yarn and you will wrap it around 2 fingers, and then you will just slip, that yarn right through that hole, and you'll pull that yarn end just like that. And then this is how you make it smaller. You make a small loop. You insert your hook and tighten your slip knot. You will take your yarn and do just like that. And the motion you want to use your hook is back and forth like this. You'll slide up just like that. Then you will turn your hook to its side, and then you will just pull it down and through that loop. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that at a different angle. Yarn in the palm of your hand, just pinch it, wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, slip it right through, and then just pull it tight. So you have this big loop, and we're just gonna pull the yarn until we make a small enough loop like that. Insert our hook into the loop, and we're just gonna tighten it where it's nice and snug. And then we're just going to do just like that. We're going to take this finger and thumb, and we're going to pinch right here. We're going to go up into this motion. We have our hook facing us. Go up, turn it to its side, and then just pull through. and that makes our first chain. We're going to do that again. Go up, turn it to its side, and pull through. Now we have 2 chains. We're going to continue to do this for as many chains as you want. When you need more yarn slack, pinch your stitch and pull your yarn. You will just hold the chain with this finger and thumb and continue to make more chains. To begin the single crochet stitch, you can have any amount of chains as you'd like. This first chain you have here with your loop in it, we will not insert our hook into that one. We will insert our hook into the next one, which is our second chain from our hook. This is our first chain. That is our second chain. So it helps to place your finger on the loop. So we will go into that second chain. We will go up, turn our hook to its side, pull it through that chain. You have 2 loops on your hook. We'll go up, turn your hook to its side, and you're going to follow it through all the way. That is your first single crochet stitch. We will do this in each chain, going all the way down. Go up, turn it to its side, pull it through, 2 loops on our hook, go up, turn it to its side, and pull it through both loops. And as you work across, you just hold it with this finger and thumb. We have one chain left. This is what your single crochet row looks like. This is the front. Looks like little smashed V's that are at an angle. And then you have your chains right here on top. To prepare for the next row for single crochet, you must chain one and then turn your work. Your first stitch will be right here. This chain right here. And that gap right there. So we will insert our hook right there. Underneath those two loops that make a V or chain. We will do the same process. We will go up, turn our hook to its side, pull through. We have 2 loops. We will do that again and then pull through. And it's that easy. We will just repeat this all the way across. So there's the next chain. We will insert our hook under that and that gap. And that's all we do to make the first stitch. In our last stitch, you can see the V, that V chain. It's right there. You don't want to miss that. If you was to miss that, then that would stick out and that would look uneven. You can see that the chain. So now we have row 1 and row 2. This is the back of row 1. The V looks a little different. You can see this little knot on top of the two loops that look like a V. This is what the back of your single crochet looks like. And then this is what the front of your single crochet looks like. So you have row 1 and then row 2. And we will do the same thing. We will chain 1. We will turn. And right here, under that first chain, in that gap, is where we insert our hook. And then there you go. You just continue to work your way across to the end. And then you chain 1 and you turn, and then you just work your way across for however many rows you'd like. And yours will turn out just like mine, as you saw earlier in the video. And that is how you make stitch number 1 single crochet. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. The more likes and the more views and the more subscribers, then the more people will watch and learn. If you subscribe, then you'll get notifications of each time I teach a new stitch or each time I make a new project. It's all free. Free tutorial, how-to DIY videos, and free learning videos. Thank you all. Bye-bye.